Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on a Gleem toothbrush. This is my Gleem toothbrush, and occasionally the battery will run out of power and therefore needs replacing. So what you're going to do is take your Gleem toothbrush, make sure that the power is off and not on, and then you're going to take a coin or even a screwdriver, flathead, not the Phillips, and place it within the slot, and it shows you how to open this up. So let me get in closer so you can see this a little bit better. It says it right here that to lock, you go this way, unlock, you go that way, counterclockwise. To lock, you go clockwise. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my screwdriver and I'm going to go counterclockwise, and it comes up and I'm able to take the cap off, and then the battery is in there with the flat side facing me. And to get it out, you just simply tap on a table with it. The battery comes out. You can ditch this, dispose of it, get a fresh battery. And it's important that you make the positive side, or the nipple side right here, to go inside of the Gleem toothbrush first. Do you see what I'm talking about right here? The positive side. And I'm going to place this inside of the Gleem toothbrush. Then I am going to go ahead and take the cap, put that in place, and I'm just going to go ahead and take the screwdriver, press down, and go ahead and twist it to hear it click a little bit. And once you have that with the new battery in, press the power button, and you're back to action. Hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and have a good evening.